Hi, my name is Andie Esquivel with Cooke Mortgage. Today I want to give you 3 quick tips on how to improve your credit before a major purchase. Tip 1, make sure your payments are always paid on time. Missing a payment can cost you anywhere from 50 to 100 or more points on your credit score. Setting up reminders of when a payment is due and when a payment is made is ideal. Tip 2, keep your balances under 30% of your limit. If you have a $1,000 credit card, keeping the balance under $300 or less is ideal to having a good credit score. And tip 3, check what's on your credit. You can go to annualcreditreport.com or you can download an app called Credit Karma to see what's on your credit. If you find an error, dispute it to get that error corrected. I hope you found these tips useful. If you know anybody that's looking to buy, please refer them to me. I can be contacted at 602-550-1024, and I look forward to working with you and your family. Thank you.